You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
All right, just got done shoveling the snow. Should be good. Just when you thought it was all gone, it comes right back. And thank you, Stanley, for the always great introduction. You do it almost the same every time. Yeah, I'm doing a little outdoor cooking. Maybe, if I can close this gate, maybe I should have called this one the winter cook, but I'm not gonna go doing all that. But yeah, we're gonna use the one and only, the great FEASTO. Using that Royal Oak lump charcoal. Being a small grill, probably not the best thing to use because not all the pieces are uniform, so you're not going to get a real good even cook, but I'm telling you, that stuff is hot though. Yeah, I'm going to give this a dump here in a minute or so, and we're going to start off with some hamburgers. I'm going to get some Heath Riles product on it, and then we're going to do a little cut of pork, and I'm not going to smoke it, or I'm not going to do it for any kind of pulled pork or anything. I'm just going to make it sliced pork. Ooh, I heard a little expansion. One difference between this and the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler is Oklahoma Joe's Rambler locks. It has a little locking thing on there, but this one does not. Here in the FEASTO. I'm going to close this up. Oh, I better get that grate off there. Close this up. Give her some air. She got some air there. I did not remove the charcoals from the FEASTO last time I used it, but I did bring it in the house. I kept it in the basement, so it's not going to rust or anything. No moisture down there. Yeah, let's just get this thing cleaned up a little bit, and we'll throw down some hamburgers.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerds.
There's the FEASTO over there. Had about probably 5 inches of snow here in mid-Michigan. It's kind of melting right now, so it's kind of raining at the same time right now. But I'm glad I did shovel that driveway, because it will certainly freeze tonight. And that stuff, if you don't pick it up and you ain't got a thaw coming up, you're gonna have it there for a while.
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, so I put these burgers on the side where there's no charcoal under it, indirect cooking. This lid, I'm going to close it, and it's going to get up to about 450 degrees according to the FEASTO thermometer. And yes, I did put some more oil on the outside of this thing. I do it every time. I do it with the Char Grill or Grand Champ as well. Here on a beautiful day in Michigan. So, if you notice anything different, let me know in the comments, because I did change something. But I'm going to call these burgers done. They look good enough to me. Therefore they are. And here's what I'm going to do. Oh yeah. We got a little shawarma action going on here in the FEASTO. Experimental cook. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I just opened it right back up. Here's a question I'm asking myself, and it is, am I going to have to add more charcoals or not? Yeah, I could have got that skewer more direct in the center, but it's okay. This is an experiment. Yeah, it's cool. Remember, I got this shawarma device from this company a few months ago, and this one was sent to me for free. Pretty cool device. Let's close it up. We'll check it in a little bit. Yeah, this is all kind of fly-by-night cooking here, and that's the truth. Really no plan at all, but what I am going to do, I was thinking, how am I going to spin this thing around? Do I spin this, or do I spin the meat? Let's just try spinning the meat. That works. So, I don't want to cook too hot, but then again, I don't know, I got concerns. But it does have a little bit of color on that side. And as it collects the juices there, I'll just baste it. Yeah, it's fun anyhow. Fun with the FEASTO. Let's do a little turn again. Not a whole lot of color, but I do want to turn it. And just for the record, I'm going to turn this thing without sharing it with you all the time. Because the more I talk, the more this thing is open. I want to keep it kind of closed as much as I can, just keep that heat retention. And yeah, I'm going to just continuously move that thing like every few minutes, every 5 minutes maybe, and we'll see how it goes. I put that Heath Riles and the Cosmos Dirty Bird on there. So is it going to be like a burrito kind of thing? I don't think it is with that stuff on there, but who knows? We'll see what it is. Make it and then figure out what I made, right? All right, as you can see, I added some more lump coals in there, and I'm just turning this thing clockwise every time, a quarter turn. Yeah, I got everything wide open, so yeah, I think I needed to add some more. Yeah, it's not real cold right now. Maybe 34 degrees. Everything's kind of melting, and but guess what? It'll probably freeze tonight. Right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, looking good. Do a little basting action here. Nothing major. Continuously turning it clockwise. Look at that. Here on the FEASTO. I know I probably got some of you in cringe mode when I said I'm going to do it like a shawarma. Because the shawarma it's layers of meat. It's not a cut of meat. So, I know it's not really a shawarma, just a cut of meat on a rotisserie in the vertical manner. Open her up. Yes, I put some more coals in there. I have been turning this meat actually about every 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it again. We're going to get a temp reading here. Yeah, so we got a little ways to go, but I think this will be the end of showing you everything happening here in the FEASTO. Yes, I have been basting it, and it's a fun cook. This is fun to do. I just dumped that coal in there. I don't think I'm gonna baste it. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. Next time you see it, it will be in the house. But take your last gander at the FEASTO. Won't be the last, but probably the last time in this video. So here it is. I brought it in. I wrapped it. I just put this foil over it. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, looking pretty good. Pull it off the skewer. Let's slice it up. Jeez, little lady, what do you do with my knife? We have a little bit of a FEASTO smoke ring. Give it a taste. I'm Paulie. Thank you for watching. Till next time.